Is it okay to put CSS in line with your HTML tags? Hi, I'm Amit and I make videos every day, and today I am going to answer this question about how good is inline CSS. When you start your journey as a web designer, you are instructed to keep all your CSS at one place, which helps in reusing the CSS codes as well as making the code cleaner. But as time goes and you become a pro, you will definitely feel like what to use when. Using CSS inline, there is nothing wrong in it. But if a specific CSS code is being used multiple times on one web page or a group of web pages, then definitely using it inline will do no extra good. It will just make your web page heavy. So it is always a wise idea about deciding first whether inline is required or not. Whether to use inline or in a style sheet, it completely depends on the scenario. As a web designer, you need to have experience on this about where to put the particular CSS code. I guess that's the 90 seconds. See you tomorrow.